Are you tired of depression getting in the way of even the most simplest tasks? Or are you embarrassed that keeping up on your daily hygiene seems to be this mountain of a project that you can't seem to accomplish when feeling so overwhelmingly depressed? By the end of this video, I am going to give you some quick tips that you can keep on top of your hygiene habits, feel successful, and that even though you're feeling depressed, you can get some of these daily tasks done without worry. These are some tips that my clients use when they're feeling overwhelmed and depressed. And even if you're feeling like you can't get out of bed today, let me help you get some of these easy tasks out of the way and get you back to the life that you love. For the best mental health tips and tricks so that you can be your best self, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video on Mondays and on Thursdays. If this is the first time to my channel, welcome. If you've come back for more, welcome back. I'm Dr. Michelle Scoggin, a licensed clinical psychologist, and I work with many clients, some who have had depression for years before they came to see me. I've helped to support them through techniques that are developed through research, but I also give it a little twist because I like to add some fun into therapy. I've helped clients develop skills that work for them and had the joy of watching them recover from their own depression. Today, I would like to give you a little bit of what I offer my clients. Now it's your turn to kick out depression and get your life back. Let's get started. Hygiene is a vital part of our lives, a vital part of our health, has a way of affecting our moods, and contributes to our self-esteem. Though when feeling very depressed, you may not have the energy to try and accomplish small tasks like hygiene. But let me break up 4 things that you can do daily for your own hygiene and make you feel a little bit better. The first one is kind of a combo. It is taking a shower and putting on clean clothes. So you may not feel like doing both, but if you at least can either shower and put on clean underclothes or even just wipe off and put on clean underclothes, that has the ability to make you feel a little bit better because you're fresher than what you were. I know sometimes that task may feel daunting or overwhelming, but the shower has this ability to emotionally cleanse you as well as physically cleanse you. And if you're unable to shower, make sure you do change your underwear because you want to keep your little goodies clean, because it not only makes you feel better to have clean underwear on, but it also can fight off unwanted infections. Number 2 is to make sure that you're taking your medication and drinking water with it. Medications particular to any health concerns or mental health concerns. You want to make sure that you aren't missing any doses because that might be the dose that you need for your mood to feel better. You might want to set an alarm to help you remember to take that medication. Comment below if keeping up on your daily hygiene while depressed has been an issue for you. And if there's some tip that you can offer me, I would love that. Share with me. Number 3 is to take care of oral hygiene. So either brush your teeth or use mouthwash if you're not feeling up to being able to brush your teeth. But that can cleanse the body. Keeping good oral hygiene has been proven to show that it contributes to your overall health, and it does make you feel a little bit better. The last tip is grooming. So making sure that you're combing your hair so that it stays free of tangles and eliminates the worry of matting. If you've ever been depressed where it's been hard for you to comb your hair, then you recognize that matting of the hair is something that comes on pretty quickly. If these things feel like they're overwhelming to you, don't feel bad about asking for help. You may need a family member or a friend to come over and help you with some of these tasks. And if you don't feel comfortable or don't have someone to ask for help, try setting an alarm on your phone so that it reminds you of these tasks that you need to get done throughout the day. Really important to set notifications, particularly for medications. But yeah, try setting an alarm so that it reminds you to keep up on these tasks. I hope these tips were helpful for you so that you can keep on top of some daily tasks that will help you get a little bit of relief from depression. Keeping in front of your depression is very important, and even the smallest tasks can provide you just what you need for that day. If you would like to join, I send out a monthly newsletter that helps you keep on top of some mental health tips and tricks that are specific to wellness and living. I've put a link down below in the description so that you can sign up and get that added benefit. As a free gesture for joining the newsletter, I will also send out a link to download a depression mood worksheet that will help you track your moods and set up a goal plan for success and to get through your depression. I've linked below some other videos on depression so that you can continue to build your tool bag and be prepared for depression, so that you can even help family members that have depression. So if you like this video, please subscribe, comment, share with your friends and family. And until the next time, continue to build that tool bag.